Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some behind the scenes of how we do our product photography for our small business. Just in case you are new, my name is Charlie and me and my husband run a small blacksmith... That's my brother, that's really not helpful. What is going on? You're ruining my intro. Are you firing each other with bananas? What is this?
I was going to do it. POV, banana cam.
Banana cam.
Left me no time.
This is not a good intro at all. Totally failing. No wonder I don't have any new subscribers. People must think I'm absolutely loopy. Take two. So I basically wanted to show you how we do our product photography, show you a little bit behind the scenes. As I said, we run a blacksmithing business. Tom does all the making of all the stuff and I do all the business stuff, you know, and all the promo. I run the social media and I do everything that isn't really making, basically.
G'day guys and welcome to Bushy's workshop. Today we're going to be making some cheese knives out of these beautiful old narrow gauge rail dog head spikes.
Since we're in the UK at the moment, my brother is a cameraman and he also is very good at photography, so he's helping us out a little bit, doing some product photography and doing some setups and teaching us a little bit, but so that we can replicate it back in Australia. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys a little bit. We have a baby girl, Lexi, hence the stupidity that was going on, the stupid banana war. And Lexi is almost 14 months old. Oh, it's nice and bright in here, so here we go. This is Lexi and this is Tom and that is my brother Henry. And
Do you mind? You messed up at filming.
I know, sorry.
Where?
So we've already done all the kind of plain photo shoots. I'll drop in a couple of the examples now so you can see. We tried to do like a kind of high-end look to them and also make it universal so they're all very similar. So when you see on the first page of the website, it all looks kind of, well, uniform and it looks pretty and it just looks professional. But I also want to do, for each of the products, I want to have one photo in situ. I'm watching Lexi because she is creeping towards the paddling pool that we've just set up for her. It's a bit hot in the UK. I know that's crazy, but it is. I know you want to go and play in that, don't you? We're going to play in it soon, but you can't go in it just yet, little one, okay? Not just yet. I've got a little bit distracted there because Lexi wanted to go in the paddling pool. We got her a new paddling pool. Let's get back to the shoot.
Where we got to, just so they're lining up.
Getting ready.
Get ready for the shot, hey?
Charlie, go to your camera assist. You can do the charger unit. We can remove that.
Oh, get rid of this.
Yes.
Out the shot.
And
You okay with the fruit? And do you want to get rid of that?
I'll just move that to one side.
Doesn't look the best, does it? Just have anything that's fresh. And Vet's Kitchen, whatever that
Put another fruit bowl down there.
is. The behind the scenes of faking the background.
Yeah.
Bulk it up, make it look.
Stick a pineapple in there.
Yeah, that's good. Good idea.
Pineapple.
And the other.
Ta-da! There we go. I mean, it's all out of focus, isn't it? So
Yeah, it's just shapes.
yeah, shapes and colours, and there's a fair amount of light going on here for this shoot.
Get photos, but normally I would do it colour down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll come around or angle around. If it's an awkward thing, just go for what you normally would.
And move that slice out of the way.
Yeah, we can't get any. We don't have any ping on the blade at the moment. No, the slice was good actually. So if there's one that's half and foreground there, can you do the backs or one of the top bits so that we can see the grain of it?
Like that.
Yeah. So let's have these to.
Camera assistant.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool.
Like that.
Yeah. And bring that all the way down. And bring the blade up from that point. And so just bring it up and go down into there. Just mimic the action.
Like chopping action.
Yeah. So come up slightly and go down. Yep.
Bit of watermelon. What do you think, little one, hey? Bit of watermelon?
Yeah, that was cool. So seeing the whole cleaver through it.
Watermelon, anyone?
Just wait up, we'll just cut through it most of the way because you want that shot of the...
That looks cool, doesn't it? That's such a fun shot. Look at that cleaver, honestly.
Microwave and ice cream tub in the background.
Microwave and microwave.
That's the wrong angle, that's not the same angle I get.
This not the same angle. We don't want all of that in the background. But you know, it looks pretty awesome. One product done.
What I would like to do is quickly check.
Lights off. What, you want to check they're okay? It's a good idea.
I've had any issues at all.
Yeah.
I mean, that's cool.
I think we got it. So now you have an idea of what the behind the scenes kind of looks like and kind of what goes into each shot. Let's cut to a montage of the rest of the products. Go. Enough of that, you guys get the idea. Anyway, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone that has watched my UK series, all these vlogs that I've been putting together whilst I've been over here with my family. Anyone that's been commenting and, you know, sharing any of my stuff, I really appreciate it. It helps more than you would know. Honestly, I know it seems crazy, and I know that a lot of YouTubers go on constantly saying, you know, like and subscribe, but it really makes a big difference, and chatting to me in the comments also makes a big difference. Anyway, yeah, I've been doing my very best to try and produce little films and put things together of like my life here and show you guys a little bit of my home life as much as I can. It's been a little bit challenging, especially since last week's vlog accidentally ended up being like this massive film, this massive like memory thing for me. I'm not gonna lie, that took way longer than I meant it to. So all I was going to say now was there might be a slight break between now and the next upload, so I probably basically need at least 1 week off, purely because I'm struggling to keep up with my content and we have a lot of work to do. Well, I'm kind of trying to take advantage of the fact I have my grandparents, well not my grandparents, Lexi's grandparents here to look after Lexi, so we need to get some work done. We've got lots of back-end website stuff to do. As you can see from this video, we've been shooting loads of new content for the website, and yeah, we've just got a lot to do. So unfortunately, since my YouTube is obviously not the big earner, unless you guys want to sign up to my Patreon, then I'll be able to make more films. It obviously has to take a bit of a backseat, so hope you guys understand. But as I said, I'm doing my very best. I really appreciate your support. I really love making films. It's just, you can probably tell that I just love making little movies, and I do it to like look back on things, you know, like that film I made last week of the boat and our little adventure and Lexi's first time on the boat. That's really special to me. Like, I mean, I look back on that and yeah, I just love it. But sometimes it has to take a little bit of a backseat, so I'll be back as soon as I can be. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys soon.